Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd, 2022. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃអង្គារខែ4ថ្ងៃទី26ឆ្នាំ2022 and it's the same spot. See all those. That one is skunk cabbage and the one up there is ramps. ខ្ទឹមព្រៃអានេះស្ពៃព្រៃគេអត់ញ៉ាំទេ This is ram. ដើមខ្ទឹមព្រៃនេះដុះធំហើយ Ram is growing big now. See, all that is ram. It like to grow in a groups. More ramps. More ramps. តាមខ្ទឹមព្រៃ All of that is skunk cabbage. អានេះស្ពៃព្រៃទាំងអស់ You don't eat it. យើងញ៉ាំអត់បានទេ Go closer to you. Let's show to ដើមដូចស្ពៃយ៉ាង This is a skunk cabbage. May apple. This is a female May apple. It got flower. You can eat the fruits in the falls. ដើម May apple នេះមានផ្កាហើយមានផ្លែប៉ុន្តែយើងញ៉ាំពេលវាទុំពេលខែធ្លាក់ជ្រុះស្លឹកឈើយើងអាចបេះញ៉ាំបានញ៉ាំខ្ចីអត់បានទេពុល This is May apple and it's out. This one is a male May apple. See how different it is? It's a female. This is garlic mustard. ដើមព្រៃស្ពៃព្រៃជ្រក់ញ៉ាំបាន When you pinch it, it smells like mustard, green mustard. ពេលយើងក្តាច់ធំក្លិនដូចស្ពៃហាំង You can pickle these. It's edible. យើងញ៉ាំបានពេលជ្រក់ដូចមមាអញ្ចឹង Some more over here. The flower is white. ផ្កាវាពណ៌ស